Hello, my name is Tony Baumeister and I want to show you how you can make a list of the results of Google without having to right click and link, address, copy and so on, without having to know anything about programming, without having to download some apps or some software. Okay, first we have the list, getting to know people who love Excel as almost as much as I do. Control S, and we put them in a certain map. We wait until it's done, and we go to Notebook. We open the HTML file x.star. We have him here. Excel. Open it. Open. Yeah. Control H. We do bigger than sign replaced by a simply space. The smaller than sign replaced by a simply space. Yeah. Control A, Control C. We go to Word. Control V. We go to Control H. We go to the simple paragraph mark. Replace by nothing. Replace all. Okay. Then we replace the following. A space href is quotation mark. And we replace this by a paragraph mark. Replace all. Okay. Control A, Control C. We go to Excel. Control V. We go to data, text to columns, delimited, next, and we replace the quotation mark by a tab. Next, finish. We can delete B until eternity, delete. Okay. First, we see doc type search, which is not useful. We can Google stuff which is not useful. This we can read HD rows. Then we can sort this A to Z, and let's see some other stuff from Google which we can delete. Slash delete rows, I think was it, slash H delete rows. So now we have a decent 104. Fine by me. Okay, thank you very much. So you can make a list of all those results you have in a Google search, which I think is very useful, and you don't have to interest yourself into programming and so on. Thank you very much.